As rapid urbanization leads to growing population, the demand to safely use surface water sources has also increased correspondingly. Alkafa thrives in exploring innovative technologies to build optimum, efficient and cost-effective water treatment plants. Welcome to Alkafa's headquarters located in the United Arab Emirates, and this is a containerized surface water treatment plant. This surface water treatment plant, built by Alkafa, is fully portable and immediately deployable at site. Thanks to Alkafa's ingenious ideas, all elements of water treatment are integrated into a single module housed inside a 40 feet high cube container. Thus, the need for on-site civil jobs and hefty footprint is eradicated, and only a single module is sufficient to treat large volumes of surface water. Walkways and platforms provide access to all process tanks, which is vital for effective daily operation and periodical maintenance. All portable units are built on priority basis, where Alkafa's careful planning and can-do attitude to challenging situations enables quick delivery time. Process tanks and equipment are pre-installed inside a 40 feet high cube container for ease of shipment. This water treatment plant is designed to operate using flocculation, settlement, sedimentation, lamella clarification, polymer dosing, alkali dosing, chlorination contact zone, multimedia filtration, and automatic sludge and solids drainage. A closed temperature-controlled operation room houses the main control panel, where all performance data can be monitored from a single point. Multimedia filters and pumps are also housed inside the control room. This control panel is designed for automatic operation and manual override option using superior quality components, stabilizers, robust motor protection devices, all fully integrated inside IP65 rated weather and water resistant enclosures. All electromechanical equipment status and water quality at inlet and outlet is constantly displayed for the operator's ease. Power can be connected inside the container using external sockets. Equipment and materials used for all water treatment plants are intricately selected for durability in harsh climate conditions. Each finished water treatment plant undergoes factory tests by a qualified control team to ensure top-notch quality on all fabricated and assembled parts. Output water conforms to the highest international quality parameters of World Health Organization for drinking water standards. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. To stay posted on all new Alkafa technologies, hit the subscribe button or visit alkafagroup.com.